A river runs through it this morning. Sooner or later, we're going to get this stuff fixed. We need to go check on all the animals. We had tornadoes nearby this morning. Lots of friends with trees down, but no lives lost or injuries, thankfully. Whew. I got up to the pigs, which is right here by the greenhouse, and it started pouring down. Of course, you can see the pigs there in the forest. They don't seem to mind it at all. They got plenty of leaves and grubs and roots to be eaten. So they are fine that they have not been fed their pig pellets this morning, which, by the way, they will completely ignore as long as they have the woods and scraps. Uh-oh. Here comes somebody. Oh, she found a juicy morsel and was running. Probably sweet gum leaves. That's what they love. But I'm going to get all of my baby plants out of the rain. Hey there! What'd you get, Waddle? What'd you get? Did you have some sweet gum leaves? I'm going to throw some. We've got some hay in here yesterday. Thank goodness. Because it sure is messy. It's so messy. I'm going to throw some food in here for y'all in just a minute. She's off again. But these are definitely waterlogged, so we'll get them out of the rain.